Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing this kit from Worx. This is the MakerX line of products they have introduced. Basically portable tools that are connected to a battery, and that battery is through a cable connected to them because they are too small, so they may not hold the battery because they are just too small tools. So that's what it seems to me the case here. I haven't used any of these tools before, this line of products from Worx, so I'm not sure, but based on the picture and the description, that's what it looks like. This is a WX992L, the model, and this is the kit that includes 3 tools, actually 2 tools and a battery and a cord there, and a bag and some accessories. This was $58 from Wood app, which is an Amazon company. So you can log into Wood with your Amazon account. And this is the top of the box. It has the 2 tools and the cord that connects to the battery. Then this cord can connect here and here. You just need to choose. Let's see on the side. Has some information. So what it includes is a rotary tool and airbrush kit. So this is airbrush, this is rotary tool. Brushless motor delivers power in a compact size. Dual function trigger regulates both airflow and paint volume. Paint. Okay, not sure what that means. 5,000 to 35,000 RPM variable speed rotary tool thingy is over there. Okay, let's see. We were on this side already. This is the other side. Expandable tool system. So there are a bunch of other things you can buy. So what's included here is the rotary tool and the airbrush. But they also have a heat gun, angle grinder, and wood and metal crafter. So these are small tools meant for crafts. This is the back of the box. Okay, it has some more information. Accepts standard bits from all brands. Compact brushless motor, that's for the rotary tool. Dual function trigger. Diaphragm pressure pump is right there. 20 volt power share, performance compatible with the MakerX performance power shell battery. That is, I'm thinking is 2.0, 2 amps, 2 amp hour. Yeah, okay, that is it. Flexible cord, easily connects to MakerX tools. Cord flexible, okay, flexible tool cord. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it. I think this kit is sold at different stores too, different sites, not only Wood, but Wood had it on discount at the time of I purchased it. So let's see. Put that here on the side. Okay, so there is the bag. Very basic, it just says MakerX on it. Okay. Here is one of the tools. I guess they sold them all separately, so that's why they put them like this. Why bother doing a kit? They just put them in here all together in one bag. Makes sense. And this is the cord thing. And there is some information. And I'm assuming this is the cord. And here's the battery. here. Battery charger. Simple enough, right? Okay. This is the battery. 2 amp hour. It does not have battery level indicator on it. At least I don't see if there is one. Okay. And this is the charger for the battery. Okay. So it will go like so. Like that. Oh, I need to press here to remove it. Here we go. Okay, and here is the cord they were talking about. And it has a dial. Pretty beefy. Has some information here. They call it 20 volt hub, hub X. I'm not sure if that dial controls all other tools that it connects to it, or just the rotary tool. Okay, so rotary tool includes some accessories. It says on the box. Okay. Here's the tool itself. Oh, what is the accessories? Oh, maybe this is the accessories they're talking about? Maybe it's this. I'll have to open it and see. So this is just a user's manual. Okay. Let's see this one here. Is the airbrush. There's some stuff here. Cleaning items here, I suspect. Nothing else in the bottom, so we'll leave the cleaning items in the same spot. I'm gonna be cleaning anything. Okay, so we leave these here. Now it's time to open the accessory kit. Okay, there's a bunch of accessories here, and here as well. Okay. This wheel seems fun to use, so we'll start with that. Ow. These bristles are too tiny. Okay, so I'll put it in there. Hold on. I'm turning it without pressing the lock button, so it's not doing anything. Okay. No, it's locked. They didn't include any tool or something, but I suspect this is fine like this. Okay. So let's plug this into the battery here. Okay. Okay, let's plug this into here. Oh, doing it the wrong way. Here we go. Okay, it's on. Very quiet. Well, you know, just like a die grinder, that's what this is. It's too fast. Okay, so it says it goes up to 32,000 RPM, the dial. So let's see, let's do it one more time. That's pretty cool. Okay, so if you need to work on some crafts, this will be a good tool to use. And I'm trying to remove this here. Let's put it in this thing. Okay, maybe I should put this first. Okay. And well, we'll find out. Let's plug it in. I don't know what it is doing. Oh, you don't pull, you pull actually. Oh, wasn't doing anything like that earlier. Okay, so you has some tips here. I'm not sure what they do, but there's one more tip here in the back. Wow, it has so many tips. I'll need to read a little bit more on this and come back to you. It's interesting. Okay, so I'll have to read on this part here, find out what it does, and come back to you on more with more information on it. Alright, so I'm back and I did some more reading on this. It's my first time ever using these tools, so I didn't have a good idea on how to use this. So I read the user's manual, which is a good idea to do when you don't know how to use the tool. So basically, Okay, so the main part is, this is called dual function trigger. So when you press down, it releases the air, and when you pull back, it releases paint from here. But to control how much paint it releases, you need to turn this knob here, and you see this one now goes back too much. You turn it clockwise, it goes down a little bit. Counterclockwise, it goes down more. So that is how you control how much paint comes out. And I suspect these tips, they didn't say there, or I didn't read the whole thing. I suspect these tips are meant for how wide the paint spray you want it to be. I suspect, I don't know. You can correct me in the comment section below. And the paint will go there, of course. And if you want to mix it with some paint thinner, depending on what paint it is, it should be specific paint. It says here in the instructions, it should be a paint specifically formulated for use with airbrushes. So I searched on Amazon, and there's a bunch of different brands and different colors, different combination of colors, and the price varies between them, between like $10 to up to $40, depending on which ones you get. Unfortunately, I don't have any paint that fits this tool with me, or in the house, so I can't use it. But let's turn it on one more time, and to release the air, you press down, and to control how much paint, you press and pull back. You notice how it is changing a little bit, the sound. Listen. Very slight, you may not notice it. I notice it when I'm pressing back, it changes. So, okay. And by the way, the dial here needs to be on the minimum setting when you operate this tool. That's what the instructions said. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this video with me. And if you have questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Hopefully I can answer that for you regarding these two tools, or one of the viewers will be able to. If you like this video and you feel like it was good, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And I will see you all in the future. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.